Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday, and this is my June wrap up. So I'm going to show you what's left over from my kit. All of these scraps is going to go in my scrap bin, and because I have room. So this is what I have left. I did a great job. I only have one 12 by 12 sheet of paper, and I did a lot of cutting into my 12 by 12 sheets, and I just went to town on just cutting and layering. So anyway, we have Pinkfresh Studio, Let Your Heart Decide. I have from the Heidi Swapp Wolfpack collection. I have that pattern paper left. This is from Photo Play. I don't remember the name. And I know I have another bigger piece of this one. This is from Photo Play. It's something for two, Think to Remember collection line. This was just a 6x6 sheet of paper, and I'm gonna cut this and save this part. Like I said, this wood grain here from Ella and Viva. Love it, isn't that pretty? And then from Pinkfresh Studio, Noteworthy. And this one is Pink Paisley, Indigo, and Ivy, one of my favorite collections from Pinkfresh. And then the Cartabella. So all this will go back into my scrappy paper collection. All right, now embellishments. Okay, so I have Felicity Jane, puffy, little puffy. I didn't use any of them. I have a couple of bags. I used some washi tape. I have one little round strip left of this beautiful green. I love that green. And look at it, guys, because each, you're going to see my layouts that I had pulled a lot of embellishments. So see what I'm saying about when you do a page kit within a kit? And yes, it creates a little bit more planning as far as selecting what photos you want to go into it. So how I normally will do it is I will either select my photo, then my paper, or I select the paper, then my photo, and then the last thing I do is gather the embellishments. So that is all that is left. Wait until you see how much. And I loved it because for some reason lately, I have gotten away from embellishing my layouts. You know, I mean, I like my simple layouts, but I've got stuff here to use. I mean, even though it's dwindling down over the years for embellishments, it's kind of like my papers. I really focused on using a lot of my older papers up, and now I'm focusing on using a lot of my older embellishments. All right, so let's get started here. Let's revisit the layouts I completed. All right, this is layout number 1. It was posted June 8th. I even used, look at baggy. I've got a place for hidden journaling here. I've got layers of die cuts and embellishments, and then paper layering. Look at this. So there's the black cardstock. There's this yellow one right here, triangles. That's 2. Then this one 3, 4, and then like I said, I kept one of my pattern paper as my background. Okay, in my kits, I did not pull alphas. I used my embellishments and stuff for my title. So anyway, that's layout number 1. Sorry, I apologize right now if I say so too much or any way too much. I apologize. This is layout number 2, posted June 15th. And I love this layout. Matter of fact, I'm going to get my husband to custom make a frame because you cannot find frames. It's really hard to find frames that are pre-made that fit your 12 by 12 paper. So there I go again saying so. Anyway, my husband's going to get wood and he's going to make a frame, and I'm going to hang this up at my office. Even though this photograph is 3 years old, I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. Again, lots of paper layering going on, even up here, and in my embellishments I have stickers. And this is the only layout that I actually pulled alphas. All right, this is layout number 3, and it was posted June 22nd. Again, no alphas, using my stickers as telling the story of the photograph. And then I have hidden journaling right here and enamel dots there. If you want to know more about the products that I used and you haven't watched the video, you need to go to June 22nd. All right, this, ooh, yeah, you're like, ooh, that's wild and bright. You are correct, and I love it. I love having a variety. This is June 29th, and again, cutting into papers, using all my embellishments in the collection, and I mean, in my stash, and I mean, they come from all manufacturers. And then the splatters here are from Heidi Swapp, and it is the butter. Let me show you. It's really cool. I love this color next to like the gold. So, and this is my brother-in-law, my husband's oldest brother. He's the oldest. My husband is the second oldest. And this is my bonus layout. So there is not a video for this one. If you saw the video that was posted June 1st where I show you how I put my kit together, I created a bonus page kit. And again, this is documenting when my father was in the Air Force. Again, the only thing that I added that wasn't in the kit, so I cheated a little bit, but I used everything that I had first, is the sequins here that are the silver collection from Close to My Heart. And I don't remember where Free to Fly came from. I know this is from the Christmas collection from Close to My Heart last year. I think this tab is from Felicity Jane, and this is an old chipboard that came out from Chamel, Long American Crafts, and this has got to be probably about 8 years old, I think. Maybe not quite, but anyway, I love how this layout too turned out. They are all my favorites. Again, I got lucky when I was creating with my kit that I like all the layouts. Now, I'll be honest and tell you, like, yeah, it's okay. I'm not going to redo it. It'll go in my album, part of my history, but it's like, but not this time. Now, I do have layouts that I created in the month of June, which you will have to come back tomorrow. It should be posted, or the 2nd of July. It may be posted of all the layouts that I completed in the month of June, and I'll tell you about the ones that I said, it's okay. All right, I appreciate you all. Be sure to check out the other ladies. Their links will be listed below. I appreciate that Jennifer joined us this month. She was our guest. I'm the host this month, so if you were playing along, I will be doing random.org to see who was selected to receive either a gift card or a curated kit from me. And in July, the first Monday of July, you've got to come back to see what Tracy has in store for us. She is the host for the month of July. All right. Keep on creating, documenting those memories in a fun, creative way. give a thumbs up, show everybody some love, and keep coming back. We'll see you next time. Bye.